What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again, and yes, today another blessed day and of course another reaction video. Ang tagal kong nawala guys, like 2 weeks I think, kasi binagyo kami and kaka-resume lang ng internet and electricity dito sa province namin. Anyway, moving forward, today we're gonna do another reaction video. Sobrang na-miss ko to. Let's do a reaction video kay Jason D sa Your Face Sounds Familiar. And yeah, panoorin na natin to. Sobrang excited ako dito. Sobrang ganda ng performance niya dito. Tara, panoorin na natin without further ado. Let's go. Here we go. Ito na, Jason D. Your Face Sounds
Oh
Familiar.
my god! Your face sounds familiar!
Hey! And guys, guess what? Sino ang kanyang ginaya dito?
Is there anyone in the audience right now?
Do you have any idea na ba? Ayan, nakalagay na. Sam Smith, Dancing with a Stranger ang kakatay niya. Kaya panoorin na natin. Excite na ako dito. Anong klaseng performance ang ipapakita ng Jason D.
Who's single? If you're single right now, I
The attitude, the walk, like really Sam Smith.
wrote this song for you.
Hey! The prosthetics, the what do you call that? Yung nilagay sa face niya just to look like Sam Smith. Really the outfit just giving very Sam Smith.
I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over you.
Hey!
I still think
Perform!
about the things you do. Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. Alone tonight. Alone tonight.
Hey!
You light my fire.
Can you see that guys? The moves kung paano sumayaw si Jason D as Sam Smith.
I need somebody who can take control.
Hey!
I know exactly what I need to do.
Nakita niyo ba yan yung walk, yung attitude? The voice is hindi ganun ka-copy, no? Pero may something.
Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. Alone tonight. Alone tonight. Say, look what you made me do. I'm somebody new.
Hey! The attitude, the gestures, the movement.
Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do.
Hey!
I'm somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger.
Hey!
I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger.
What I can say guys, no, parang the way na pinerform talaga ni Sam Smith yung song na to, no, Dancing with a Stranger, parang ganong kinakapi talaga ni Jason D, no? Kung kapanood nyo ha.
Look what you made me do. I'm somebody. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you
Hey,
made me do.
nice.
I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby.
Parang pansin ko lang, parang masyadong dikit na dikit talaga sila with the dancers, no? I think ganyan naman yata talaga yung performance ni Sam Smith.
I'm dancing with a. Hey, look what you
Hey,
made me do.
walk, walk.
I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing. I see you clap. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with.
He's giving his all just to, give the vibes of Sam Smith sa performance na to, no? And the way she copied the movement, the gesture, the attitude, the sounds of the voice, yung tono ni Sam Smith. And I mean, it's giving Sam Smith naman for me. Hey, Rufa!
I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger.
Eh, narinig nyo ba yon yung may pagka Sam Smith naman, no? So I think this is a nice performance from Jason D. Yeah, standing ovation of course to Mr. Augie Alcacid. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. And happy naman ako sa performance ni Jason D, no? And yeah, di ko lang alam kung ano na yung next na nangyari. I'm just so excited to make this reaction video, guys, for you. And I hope na continuous na makagawa na to ulit tayo ng mga another reaction video. And guys, kung may suggestion kayo, comment down below. And please, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to this to your friends. And yeah, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. I hope you enjoyed this time sa pagnood natin sa performance ni Jason D. And see you soon po sa mga susunod natin video. Marami pong salamat. This is Orbs again. See ya po.